Here, I have learned how to write small t. Because there at school, we even had a carol bit of how to write that t when my colleagues were telling me we should write it like that. But for us, we had learned it, writing it, touching the upper line and the downer line, not in the middle. So I've learned how to write.
First, I couldn't get a knowledge of improvising the lines in these exercise books. Now, from today onwards, I'm going to improvise. I'm going to be creative to my learners.
With the learning objectives, there is knowing, understanding, and analyzing altogether. Now you find that you are catering for only one thing, knowing. But what we need, the main objective of our learners to understand, is to understand. Altogether, we are looking for the understanding. Have they understood what you have taught them? It's very important as teachers.
I'm Chimuli Josephine, a teacher from St. Henry's Primary School. According to my observations, writing on a plain paper, it's kind of hard. Really, you cannot make the sentences to be straight. Of course, it's upside down, and while writing on the lines, it's just good. That's what I've observed.
As I was coming, I came with the best handwriting. That then, after learning, because it wasn't guided, so after learning, I gave it to a colleague and told me that my handwriting deserved the caliber. But I'm happy at the end. At least I have improved from best to the best. Now my handwriting has changed.
My name is Shamira Amoit from Thamaratin Integrated Junior School in Wakiso District. My observation was, at first, I was writing letter Y like this, but right now, I see I have improved in writing letter Y.
My name is Piria Bosco from Ruagura Memorial in Makindi, Ruafu. What I've observed is that when I consider my work and other people's work, I see that there is uniformity because all the letters, they have one formation.
Now we are going to consider the factors we use there in handwriting. We are going to consider them also here. All those factors. And even the same letters, the way we have designed the letters, it's the same way we are going to design these letters here. We can also use the same lines we used there. If you are not perfect in writing good letters, you can use those lines, the 4 lines. Yes. Now, first of all, when they give you a chart like this, the first thing you should think about is making a boundary. Are you together? Yes, you should think about making a boundary. Why do we introduce in a boundary? You can tell me. Yes. Beautifying the chart. Thank you. Yes. Paper balancing. Thank you very much. I think it's all about paper balancing and beautifying. Yes. Now, you get your ruler and you make your boundary or the margin. After making the margin, the second step, think about the heading or the title. Are you together? Think about the heading or the title. Now, get your pencil and make another line here. Now this one is in pencil, not marker. Then make a distance, can be like 8 centimeters. Then you make another line here. Then from here up to here it can be 1 centimeter. Right together. Now you are leaving this space for the what? Why are we putting these two lines here? This one and this one. We don't want our letters to touch the boundary or to touch the what? The content. Are you together? So we write our, I think here you can use the 4 lines here. Or the 3 lines. There, some can use 3, some can use 4. Okay? It depends. You can use this as the 4th line. This one down as the 4th line. Then you write your heading. Now, there is what we call word centering, whereby when you bring the word, you have to make sure that it is in the center of the chart. Are you together? For example, the title. When you're writing the title, when you start from here, make sure that the distance you have left here should be the same distance here. Are you getting it? Should be the same distance you're going to leave here. But you find people writing, let me say, our colors. Sorry. Are you seeing that you're leaving a very big space this side? You have not centered the word. So it has to be in the middle. So you have to balance and see that now the word hour will take from here up to here. Then color will start from here. Let me assume up to there. You find that the distance from here up to here is the same distance from here up to here. Then you write hour. Then you come color. Are you seeing that it is in the middle? Are you getting it? And you always begin with a capital letter. Now the minus, you just get different color. I think it's take away 7. You get 7, you put on top of them. Yes, different colors. Maybe you get white, you put on top of this one, the 10. Yes. Then the ones which remains are the answer, like that.